What should you do if you experience a sudden loss of power steering while driving? Pump the brakes, slow down and pull over safely, increase speed to stabilize the steering, or turn off the engine and restart it. Slow down and pull over safely is the correct answer. What does the term AWD stand for in car specifications? Automated wheel drive, automatic windshield defogger, all-wheel drive, or advanced weight distribution. The correct answer is all-wheel drive. Which component of the car's exhaust system reduces noise pollution? Muffler, catalytic converter, exhaust manifold, or oxygen sensor? Muffler is the correct answer. How often should you replace the engine coolant in your car? Every 30,000 miles, every 50,000 miles, only if the engine overheats, or every 2 years at 30,000 miles. The correct answer is every 2 years or 30,000 miles. What is the purpose of the power steering fluid in a car? To cool down the engine, to assist in turning the steering wheel, to lubricate the transmission, or to regulate tire pressure. To assist in turning the steering wheel is the correct answer. What should you do if you notice a clicking sound when turning the steering wheel? Ignore it as it's normal, increase driving speed, check power steering fluid level, or replace the tires. The correct answer is check power steering fluid level. Which of the following is not a recommended method for improving gas mileage? Keeping windows open at high speeds, accelerating slowly and smoothly, avoiding excessive idling, or maintaining a steady speed on the highway. Keeping windows open at high speeds is the correct answer. What does the term PSI stand for when referring to tire pressure? Power steering indicator, perimeter sensitive ignition, pressure speed index, or pounds per square inch? The correct answer is pounds per square inch.